This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lamar Callaway. Beautiful farm, some pasture but mostly rolling timberland with 40-year-old planted pines, 2 creeks, several great pond sites. Great investment potential. Super location, just outside the city of Greensboro, 0.5 miles to the new elementary school, 2 miles to I-20 and Home Depo, 3 miles to Lake Oconee, Boathouse Marine. Easy driving distance to Atlanta, only 1 hour away. Also easy driving to Augusta, only 1 hour away, and go Dawgs, only 45 minutes to Athens. Other property available next to this up to an additional 50 acres totaling 100 acres. For more information, review the details below.